Hello guys, so welcome to a new tutorial. Again, this tutorial is a little bit ambiguous because there were some technical issues on my side. So sorry for that, and let's get started already. So as you can see, I just made a status label here. You can just drag it from the toolbox, and I named it status label. So I hope that's clear. That is all you need to know before starting the tutorial. Now we'll go on and create an event where we can update the status label to show if the certain citizen has to pay the taxes or not. So I'll double click this, calculate taxes, and then it will give me this window again. Let me just check if my audio is right. Yeah, this time, because last time I fucked some shit up. So what I'll do is I'll go current citizen, not calculate taxes, and what this will do is obviously calculate the taxes. But what I want is I want to update the label which we have made here, so it shows the text here. So I'll pass in an argument and I'll just say status label which we have created, but as you can see, this gives an error that no overload method for calculate taxes takes one argument. So we'll make an argument for it. So we'll scroll down to our calculate taxes method, and I'll put here label status, and then we just have to fill in these things. So we can actually have the label updating. So now as you can see, I have just put in the label names, and now if I run the code, it should work. So yeah, it is working now. If I go Alex, and if I say calculate tax, Alice does not have to pay tax because he is the mayor. There is some overlapping here, but I'm not going to deal with that. I'll leave it to you. But yeah, this is pretty much it. In the next video, we'll see how to implement a checkbox, and we'll just refine out some things, like center the window. So it, like, if we start it here, now this is draggable, right? I mean, this we can drag here and there, but the window in your screen should be starting here somewhere, if I'm not wrong. So we'll make it position go center, and then we'll also have its border removed and other stuff. So thank you for watching. Make sure to subscribe, comment down below if you have anything. Make sure to join the Discord server. I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.